Hi, welcome to the Lenovo booth at ISE 2022 at the Fiera in Barcelona, Spain. My name is Sean Langley, Smart Collaboration Technologist at Lenovo UK. I want to show you now ThinkSmart Manager. This is our software as a service, remote management and diagnostics portal for our ThinkSmart devices. As you can see here, you get at-a-glance analytics. The dashboard will show devices that are currently in a meeting, the device state, whether they're online, whether there are any issues that need attention, and you get performance stats and data when you scroll down, such as people counting, which we can take from our ThinkSmart Cam. We get room utilization statistics to see how heavily or underutilized meeting rooms might be. So really great data for looking back and working out how good your return on investment is with your ThinkSmart meeting room solutions. When we dig a bit deeper into the device list, here we will see a list of devices which have been enrolled with ThinkSmart Manager from your organization. Today we can see we have one room online here, and this is with our ThinkSmart Hub room, which is also available on the booth, and you can see it's online and connected. When I drill into this, we get loads of data from here, such as serial number, IP address, MAC addresses. It will show what peripherals are connected to that device. You can see we're connected to a ThinkSmart T65 large interactive display, and with our ThinkSmart Cam connected as a USB peripheral. If you see the pencil icon here, it means there are some settings that can be changed. So I click on there, and you can see the AI functionality for the ThinkSmart Cam can be easily adjusted, toggled on and off, and certain features of the AI can be enabled or disabled to your tastes. Not only that, with the premium version of ThinkSmart Manager, we have Logitech Sync API integration. So not only will it support ThinkSmart products, if you have rally bars or cams attached to our ThinkSmart Hub or our core, you also get the same level of control, and you can update the firmware on them and get analytics back from those devices. Really cool stuff here. Not only that, we can change the configuration of our Teams or Zoom Room device by clicking on the configuration tab and make easy to change settings very quickly from the comfort of your chair without having to go in the meeting room. So if the mailbox address has changed or a password needs updating, I can do it from here. Same applies to network information. Let's say we need to upload some new trusted certificates or change some proxy configurations on the device. We can do it all from here, no problem at all. Hardware. So at Lenovo we think about not only software security but hardware security. So along with the standard ThinkShield security that is included with our devices, we can enable things or disable things such as blocking out the USB ports. So once your cameras, microphones and speakers have been connected to the devices, you simply click block USB ports, and that will stop anyone trying to insert they can insert the USB stick into it, but they will not be able to access it or do anything with that on the device. So extra layers of security is important in the modern world we live in today. But what I really want to show you is how we harness the power of Intel vPro. So Intel vPro is enabled, we have the chips enabled on our motherboard of the ThinkSmart Core and the ThinkSmart Hub. Intel vPro has been around for a long time, but we've recently introduced it into our platform. And that allows us to do even more cool stuff than you can imagine. If the device is being unresponsive, we can address it at a BIOS level, wake, power off, restart, sleep, or we can start a terminal session and then run some terminal commands to that by simply connecting. But what I really want to show you today is the remote desktop capabilities we have here. When I press connect, in a few seconds it will connect to the device, and you can see here now I've got a live preview of not only the Teams app in kiosk mode, but also the display in the room. So let's go for a close-up on this, pick monitor 1, I can see the Teams app here. But not only that, I can remote control this device as if I was in the meeting room. So let's put it in a call and see what happens. Press the join button, we're going to join the meeting, we're now in the Teams meeting. Let's go back to dual monitors, and you can see we're going to have a live display inside the meeting room, so we can see in real time what is going on. This is really useful for on-site remote support engineers that may need to troubleshoot an issue that's been reported by a meeting room user very quickly. They can log onto the device, they can just check that the camera and the microphone is enabled, check the volume settings, and actually see what is going on in the meeting room as it happens. Really powerful stuff. We're super excited we've got this integrated into our management platform, and if you want to try it out for yourself and get involved, contact Lenovo at lenovo.com.